I love Quantrix and I want to make you a Quantrix master. Go to QuantrixAuthority.com to learn more.
Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. I sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 337, How to Expand and Collapse Group Item Hierarchies in Category Filters within Quantrix Modeler. I learned this from the Quantrix Masters themselves this last week as I was giving them some feedback on some filter capabilities that they are looking to improve in Quantrix Modeler. Part of that feedback was how to improve the filter categories. The problem I was having is I have this massive matrix. It has over 200 columns within it, and within those there are certain groupings of these columns. And what I want to do is I wanted to be able to expand and contract the columns, because what I found myself doing is I found myself going in and subtract and reducing or collapsing each of these items, and I just found it to be a pain in the backside. And I said, Quantrix, why don't you just give me a button that does this for me automatically? And I was speaking with them, and Ben W., the master developer at Quantrix, said, hey, we already do. Hit that plus and hit that minus sign. So I hit it, and then I looked at it, and I was absolutely blown away that they've already got expand and collapse capabilities within these category filters within Quantrix Modeler. And I didn't know about it. And I've been using this massive model with all of these columns for like 6 months. I thought, man, my life would have been a lot better had I known that from the start. So if you're still manually going in and collapsing items within Quantrix, I would encourage you not to do so on your category filters, that is, anyway. Go ahead and hit these buttons and use them, leverage them. I will also note that I did give them feedback that I wanted to be able to use shortcut keys to get in here and to manipulate this using maybe a space bar like you would in that lesser program, also known as Exhale, but they're not quite there yet. I'm hoping within the next release or two they'll add some keyboard functionality here to help us with these filters. But know that you do have these buttons, and they are tremendous. And if you've got a huge matrix like I've been working with a bunch of, maybe product groupings or product hierarchies, if you will, these buttons really will save you a boatload of time. Anyway, I absolutely love Quantrix. If you have any questions, I really hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com and ask me those questions. Please like and subscribe to this video, and please join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez, because I love Quantrix and I want to make you a Quantrix master.
Today's podcast is brought to you by QuantrixAuthority.com. I love Quantrix and I want to make you a Quantrix master.